Welcome back to 50 Car. In an age where silence often replaces soul, the 2025 Jaguar I-Type dares to make electricity thrilling again. This isn't your average EV. It's a statement, a whisper of the wild transformed into pure electric speed. Jaguar, a brand once synonymous with growling petrol engines, reinvents its legacy with grace, power, and unapologetic British elegance. Main features. The 2025 I-Type is Jaguar's premier electric performance sedan, sleek, silent, and sharpened for both the track and urban streets. Built on Jaguar's new EV architecture, it houses a dual-motor all-wheel drive system pushing 650 horsepower and 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 3.2 seconds. It's bold, efficient, and carries forward Jaguar's racing DNA from Formula E into the future of road-going EVs. Exterior design. The I-Type's front fascia wears a closed gloss black panel in place of a traditional grille, flanked by ultra-thin matrix LED headlamps. Flowing down its sculpted sides, the car sports deep contour lines and flush door handles. The fastback rear tapers into a subtle spoiler with a full-width light blade. Pros: futuristic and aerodynamic. Cons: rear visibility is limited, and the design is polarizing for classic Jag lovers. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of leather, recycled suede, and crystal-clear tech. The driver faces a curved OLED digital cluster, paired with a floating 14-inch infotainment screen with haptic feedback. Ambient lighting, vegan materials, and sculpted seats merge sportiness with serenity. Pros: luxurious and high-tech. Cons: some may find the interface a touch too digital, and physical buttons are sorely missed. Performance. With its dual motors and adaptive air suspension, the I-Type glides with finesse, corners like a predator, and accelerates without hesitation. Top speed caps at 155 miles per hour, its regenerative braking is intuitive, and selectable drive modes offer tailored responsiveness. The downside? While range estimates claim 360 miles, real-world usage in spirited driving can reduce that significantly. Battery replacement costs remain high, and warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. Market positioning. Priced around $95,000, the I-Type targets luxury EV buyers aged 35-60. It squares off against the Tesla Model S, Porsche Taycan, and Lucid Air. While Tesla wins on tech, Jaguar leads in style and emotional appeal. The driving experience is polished, fast, and sophisticated, ideal for those who crave something unique in the EV space. Additional features. Optional extras include a glass panoramic roof, Bowers & Wilkins 3D audio, Level 2 plus autonomous driving, and custom two-tone paint. Warranty includes 5 years general, 8 years battery. Jaguar offers free fast charging for the first year and complimentary home wall box installation.